Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to Faro DIY and Decor. I'm going to decor and design this beautiful room which has very good potential. First of all, I'm going to remove everything from this room and then we will start it from scratch. The first thing that we wanted to do with this room was to paint it. So we chose a very custom color. It was gray and then we didn't like it, so we added a little bluish and white into it. So this became a very blue kind of color. Actually you can find it in the market, but this was a custom one, so that's why I cannot show you which color it was. But we painted one wall of it. If you want to go ahead and paint all four walls, you can do that, but mostly one wall is more than enough. So we painted only one wall this color and then the rest of them we painted them off-white. While the paint was drying, we took another action and we chose this beautiful bed and the dresser. We took it out and we started painting them. So first of all, it needed a very good sand. We started sanding them at the beginning and then painted over it. We did it a white chalk paint. I'm going to share down in the description section all the videos, all the full videos of these transactions. You can go ahead and watch them. But for this video clip, I'm going to do it a very short form of how I painted these items or the other projects here. To make the designs, I used elephant gray chalk paints over in some corners of it and then I started de-stressing it. De-stressing part was a very easy part of this project because we had to do it with a very dry brush and go over all the places that we thought would age more. And then I used an acrylic gold paint and went over all the areas once again. By the time the de-stressing was done and I was very satisfied with it, we started to put wax on top of it. The wax took us 3 coats for the bed and the dresser, but on the top of the dresser we did 4 coats of wax because the top part is going to be used more, so that's why it needed more wax. But if you do not like the wax, you can go ahead and use a clear coat and cover all the areas that you painted. The mirror and the dresser is looking beautiful by now. And to attach it, we are going to use this method to attach the mirror with the dresser. It's going to hold it very securely because it's made to attach the mirror with the dresser itself. But this dresser didn't have it, that's why we had to buy it from outside. And then after that, I'm going to attach all the parts together and the dressing is done. This room didn't have many light fixtures, so I thought that adding twinkle light jars is going to be a very good idea. So I got these two jars from Dollar Tree to add twinkle lights into it. My mom did DIY projects for this room as well. She's a very good artist and has her own YouTube channel and shared these ideas in full descriptions on her YouTube. I'm going to share the links in the description section so you can check them out, and also the link for all the other DIY projects that I did for this room. The second project is this beautiful wall hanging decor that I did. It's a very beautiful and simple one. You just need one hoop and some yarns. I got the yarns and hoop from Dollar Tree and attached them with each other, making few knots. I'm going to share the tutorial video in the description section so you can check it out. This is a very beautiful room. It has all the gray colors, so that's why I put a gray chair in the corner of it. And now it's time for a few touch-ups. I did this canvases long time ago and it really goes with this room, so that's why I'm hanging it here. But for the curtains, first I used white curtains for this room. It looks very elegant and very beautiful, but then later on I changed my mind and used another kinds of bedding and the curtains and everything. So please let me know which one do you like the most. So I changed the places for the lamps and the candles here. The beddings, you can see that there are new beddings on the bed. The curtain is purplish gray kind of. It really goes with the bedding itself. Here you can see the new very beautiful painting, and I added some more greenery because every time you add more greenery the room looks alive. That's why I love to add the maximum greenery that I could use in a room. I hope you really like this transformation. I really love it. I really enjoy doing it. So if you liked it, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Share it with your friends and share your ideas down in the comment section below with me as well. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.